dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and standing attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen and yes, the property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, please read description box.